Today we are going to interview a young teacher from our school to know about biodiversity and how it has changed over the years from their perspective. Could you please introduce yourself?
I am Maria Ramona Francis.
How many years of experience do you have in teaching?
I have 5 years of experience.
Could you give a brief description of what the term biodiversity means of your point of view?
Yes. Biodiversity is all about how life, how all the species are connected all together. Okay, the plants that we see, the animals that we see around, the trees that we move around, everything is a part of biodiversity. However, as we know today, life is very much different. A lot of degradation, pollution, wherein biodiversity is altogether is in trouble as of now.
Can you describe the biodiversity of our school since you joined? Have you ever noticed any events that caused major changes in the biodiversity of our school?
Yes, school being a place of learning, of training the students to be live in a better society. We as a school take so many initiatives, be it in the matters of science or social studies, and all together, programs like Harita Hari Day celebration, and also we see various other kinds of small creatures that are there also in our playground. There's so many initiatives that as school we take to protect our environment altogether and also to help life to be sustained for the future as well.
How was biodiversity in your surroundings when you were a child?
Yes, as a child, I've been seeing a lot of things that aren't there today. But however, life today is different from what it was earlier. Previously, when I was studying in my school, I used to see so many birds that would come around with their lunch break, and I used to see how they feed upon the leftovers of the students. However, today we hardly have any birds that come around, but at the same time, as a society, as a school, as an individual, we always try to make life better.
Have you been in any efforts or programs to conserve biodiversity?
Yes. Conserving biodiversity, as we know, is very essential today. It is the responsibility as a teacher of mine to take care and also advise my students and teach my students to learn how to save the environment and also how to contribute in sustaining the biodiversity altogether.
Is there any place which you visit regularly when you observe many changes in biodiversity?
Yes, natural parks can be a best example, and also the sanctuaries that are there that we come across and learn today are, a part of saving the nature altogether.
Can you describe the biodiversity now and differentiate it from the past years?
Yes. Since years and years later, also we are going to come across a lot of changes altogether because life is not, just a part of it that stays altogether the same all the time. But however, as we've seen the decline in how people are reacting towards the nature and how they are trying to ruin the nature altogether by polluting. Okay, by a lot of pollution, the using of a lot of plastics. All this is, in turn causing trouble to humans themselves because even the animals are troubled, the human beings are troubled altogether. Okay, so we can take better steps, and also the government has been contributing all through the years now, and also to make life better because it's the nature, the natural gift that we get as individuals is also a responsibility to sustain it for the future as well.
Do you notice any positive effect in the environment now? How is it benefiting biodiversity?
Yes, there are not many positive effects that are being seen today because even the government takes an initiative. When you go around, previously there were so many trees that were cut down, but at the same time the government also and also schools have taken an initiative, okay, to plant more trees and save life altogether because it's giving life not only to us humans but also to other creatures. It becomes a house to other creatures that are there in the society.
What's your message to students about conserving biodiversity?
Yes, students being the future of the country altogether, and to make the world a better place to live in, it's the responsibility of the students to take care of their nature and also keep it safe and hand it over safely to the future generations altogether. you.